Hey everyone, welcome back to Tap to Learn. Hope you all are doing well. And today we are going to learn 10 words that I have taken from the Hindu editorial. Most of these words are legal words, that means they are basically used in lawful matters. And the first word is ratify, that means to approve or to sanction formally or to confirm. In Hindi, pushti karna. Synonyms: endorse, affirm, validate, etc. Antonyms: reject, revoke, etc. Example sentences: the ratification for the treaty goes in the ratio of 4:6. Second word is erroneous. That means not correct, having some errors or based on wrong information. In Hindi, अशुद्ध या गलत सूचना पर आधारित. Synonyms: false, inaccurate, invalid, etc. Antonyms: accurate, correct, factual, precise, etc. Example sentences: having erroneous assumptions can lead one in trouble. Third word is reprimand. That means to scold someone or to tell someone that the deed done is wrong. In Hindi, डांटना या फटकारना. Synonyms: rebuke, reproval, reprove, etc. Antonyms: praise, consider, to commentate, etc. Example: the boss reprimanded the employee for coming late in the office. Fourth word is derange. That means unable to think or act in a normal or logical way, especially due to severe mental illness. In Hindi, विक्षिप्त या अव्यवस्थित. Synonym: insane, moony, rabid, etc. Antonyms: sane, rational, etc. Example sentences: the deranged situation of the man or old man made him an object of pity. Fifth word is sensitize. That means to make one aware, specially about a problem. In Hindi, सचेत करना. Synonyms: stimulate, sharpen, etc. Antonyms: deaden, desensitize. Example: some famous predictors sensitized about the pandemic. Next word is corroborate. That means to prove or support a statement, idea, etc. by providing new evidence. In Hindi, प्रमाण की मदद से पुष्टि करना. Synonyms: attest, certify, confirm, etc. Antonyms: contradict, gainsay, deny, etc. Example: I prayed my friend would corroborate the lie I told my parents. Next word is collaborate. That means to work together for a common purpose. In Hindi, मिलजुल कर काम करना. Synonyms: alliance, cooperate, confederate, etc. Antonyms: disunion, separation, etc. Example sentences: both the companies collaborated to gain higher profit. Next one is espionage. That means the act of finding out secret information about another country or organization. In Hindi, जासूसी करना. Synonyms: spying, surveillance, etc. Antonyms: unguardedness, probity, etc. Example: Harry balances his personal life as a gentleman and his espionage life as a mastermind. Next one is nuance. A subtle or slight degree of difference as in meaning, feeling or tone. In Hindi, सूक्ष्म अंतर, जैसे कि हम कहते हैं minute difference. Synonyms: distinction, difference, etc. Antonyms: strong, apparent, evident, etc. Example sentences: because she is proficient, every nuance is noticed by her. Last but not the least is cognizant. That means having knowledge or awareness, especially through personal experiences. In Hindi, जानकार, संज्ञाता. Synonyms: aware, conscious, abreast, etc. Antonyms: careless, inattentive, mindless, etc. Example: we are cognizant of the problem. Thank you so much. Hope it helps.